Ah! Oh!
Is your frying pan a chipping, greasy, burnt mess? Well, no more with the original Slipstone, the world's top frying pan designed with a durable, stone-hard, slippery surface.
I use my Slipstone to cook everything, and I love it.
Fry, saute, or sear with little or no fat or grease, so it's healthier for you. Foods just slide out so you never scrub. Unlike regular pans, Slipstone is made of high-quality aluminum with a stone-hard surface, so all your meals cook evenly while locking in juices every time. Just listen to these first-time users.
Oh my gosh, it's not even sticking.
I need this pan. This is awesome.
That is truly amazing.
That looks terrific. Oh my goodness.
What's the name of the pan? Call it amazing, because it's amazing.
It's so non-stick, even sticky gum wipes off with no effort. And you'll love this. It contains no harmful PFOA. That's why Slipstone is such a breakthrough. It's designed with a revolutionary 4-layer stone-hard finish to create a high-tech, slippery, and durable pan. Accidentally burn fudge? Washes right out. Grilled cheese disaster? Not with Slipstone, the world's top frying pan designed with a durable, stone-hard, slippery surface.
Order yours today.